China reports first human case of H10N8 bird flu. An elderly Chinese woman in Jiangxi Province died from H10N8 avian flu on December 6th, in the first reported case of this particular strain of avian flu infecting humans. The woman was admitted to the hospital on November 30th, while suffering from severe pneumonia. Health authorities said she had visited a local live poultry market before getting sick. People who have been in close contact with her are being temporarily monitored and so far are symptom-free. Health experts had already detected cases of H10N8 among birds, but human contraction hadn't previously been reported.